What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you through Fragments of Darkness. This will start off immediately once you enter the area and you purify the statue. You'll be heading across to 4 of these different stone tablets, where you'll be examining them in order to complete the first half of this quest. So we'll examine this one too, assuming there's not something in my way here. You just get out of here. Thank you. We'll need to examine all 4 of these first. There's 2, number 3. And finally, number 4, where after examining each of these, we'll now get the quest to reveal the secret of the stone tablet, which takes us all the way to the west back to the Den River. Now, I have got a fast travel point here, but if not, you'll need to make your way through the Hex Sanctuary. Then you'll be heading across to this little tower. Inside of this tower, we'll head in the bottom and make our way up the stairs. At the top, we'll speak to someone. There we go. And while you're up here, you'll see that there's accessories of the World 3 that you can take. Opening my inventory, this will teach us accessory crafting from a smithy, necklaces, rings, and earrings, which is a nice addition to have. Now it asks us to restore the power at the Sanctum of Mortification, and this takes us up to the northeast through Hex Sanctuary if you haven't already been there. It'll take us across to here, which seems to be guarded by angry pots. And now you get to this part. When you get close enough, a cutscene will activate, clearing off the purple stuff, and we can get to solving the puzzle. Immediately behind you, we'll head down here, and to your right, you should see this broken building. There are 2 locations. We'll be coming back to the second one just now. Inside of the main door to your left, you'll find it floating here, where you can grab it, and it'll be leading it upstairs, pushing it outside the closest hole that you can find, and we'll be taking it around, grabbing it if you drop it, to that big statue. Now we can now align this ball with the pillar, so we'll push it away from us and position it as well as we can. Doesn't really matter too much as long as it's above. We can let it go, and we're able to climb up the pillar and on top of the ball, where we should be able to jump and force palm down, pushing it into place. So there. Once we push this piece into place, there's another piece we need to find, which is a block like this. We'll once again find it at the same broken down building, but instead of heading into that dark passageway, we'll instead head past it this way. And on the far side here, we've got a bunch of leaves dealing with another statue. We've got all these leaves. We'll shine our sword, focus light, and eventually the vines here should catch fire after they smoke. We'll wait for them to clear, and just behind them is this. Something sealed inside of these metal bars. We'll grab it, and because we can't pull it out, we'll need to seal it. This uses the pot that we were given in an earlier quest in your inventory. We can just run over straight towards this statue once more. I suppose we could have brought the ball using the same technique, but either ways, finding where there's a block missing, we can open up our inventory, select the cuckoo pot, use the examine option, and it pulls up a menu of everything we have stored. We can then discard the fusion reactor core that we just picked up. We can grab onto it now that it's in the actual world, and we can pull and push it into the correct spot here. Once it gets lined up enough, there we go, we can let go and force punch it in, assuming you can aim. There we go. Once you've done this, we've solved the quick puzzle. But yeah, that's Sanctum of Mortification. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.